Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In last video we saw how to write else if statement if we do have multiple condition. In this video we're going to write a switch statement, which is a replacement or alternative of else if statement. So please try to know about both, and whatever you like you can continue, but at least it's good to have the knowledge about both. So we're going to start. I already created my Java package. I'm going to right click on that one, new, going to create one class. As usual deal, I'm not going to write anything in my package because I want as a default, and this is my class name SW. I'm going to do a public static void main finish, and here we go. I do have my class with main method, give some space, and I'm going to create my method, and I would say world money. That's the name of my method. And here I'm going to declare a string money equal to $, and I have to put semicolon in this. And now I'm going to write a switch statement. Switch, it is just like if condition, remember, if and then in parentheses, but here we're going to pass our money, and here we're going to write our case. So start with a case, and I would say yen, and here system dot out dot println, are you from Japan? And after this we have to write break. So it will check whether the money, it check our money. If a user entered the yen, then it will display this sentence, are you from the Japan? And if not, then it's going to be break, and it goes to second one. Our second case, let me write it down, it's like rupee, are you from India? And I'm going to write it down one more, and dollar, are you from USA? Okay, so since it's going to be checked our dollar, so it check first here. If it is a yen, no, it's break, goes to second. Rupees, no, and it will match over here, and we're going to run. It's not going to run because we never created our object. Yes, so we're going to create our object, and I would say SW S equal to new SW S dot world money, and now we're going to run, and it will display, are you from USA? If I change to yen, then it will ask about the Japan, are you from Japan? But what if user enter something else, not yen, rupees and dollar? What going to do? Well, that is called default, just like a else, just like else in a if else condition, right? Else if condition, sorry. And I would say default would be, and I'm going to copy paste here. I would say, where are you from? Okay, so it, for example, if I'm writing down something else which is not matching here, or in this case, then it goes to default. So anything beside the yen, rupee and dollar, it will fall in our default, and it will print out where are you from. And let's check, where are you from? So that's how we're going to write our switch statement. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please share, subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And we will okay, I'll hope you enjoying this, and we will see in our next video. All right, thank you.